Hey everyone, welcome back to JJLRacing. Junkyard Jenny here with Cotterpin and Levi. We are getting ready to do a day test. What is today? Friday the 18th. So we're doing a day test today, and then we're going to go into time trials tonight, 7 p.m. and 9 p.m. and then we'll have one more time trial tomorrow morning before we get into eliminations for Rocky Mountain Summer Series race number 3. So we did a few little things to the car over our downtime. The last time we had the car out, it was breaking up really bad in high gear. I don't know if we found the problem. We did find other problems that needed to be addressed, so those are addressed. Hopefully we won't have any breakup issues this time at all. So we're about to head down for our first run of the day, so let's go see what we can find out. Let's go. Well, that wasn't so good. Fell on its face on the launch, and then when it finally caught back up, it wouldn't shift. So I had to shift it. By then I just kind of gave up. So I think it was the 618. I'll get the slip here in a minute. So let's get her back to the pit. Let's cool her down and figure out what went wrong. Let's go. So that last pass that we just did where we were in the 6-1 or whatever it was, our dome pressure sensor failed, so we pretty much got to run that one all motor. So we're gonna try again and just swap that sensor out, and we're gonna run the same tune. There's no point in changing anything, so we're gonna head down there and give this one a shot, see what happens. So let's head down to the lanes now and give her another test pass. Alright, so that was pretty freaking cool. I'm pretty sure it came off the ground a little bit. We had a 117 and a 460. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know, but man, that's what we needed. So I'm really happy about that. So we're going to get back to the pit, cool it down, and see what else we can do with this thing. So let's go. not as good as the last one. 464. I feel like it did break up a little bit. And I hear an exhaust leak, so we're gonna have to bring this thing back to the pit. Ugh. Cool it down and figure out what I broke. Okay, something is not freaking happy and it kind of stinks in here. So let's get her back to the pit, cool her down, and find out what we did. But I thought I had heard an exhaust leak there at the end of the track. So sure enough, we came back to the pits, popped the hood, and we sure do have an exhaust leak. I'll show you. Hang on just a second. I'm not going to talk. It's really loud up there. Hold on. So apparently we had a weak weld there and it split the runner, so we're trying to cool it down as much as absolutely possible. It's hot, but we got to get it off so we can get that thing cleaned up and re-welded. So that's what we're doing right now. So I'm going to head back out there and see if we can start taking this thing apart. Alright, we're back. We got it off. I'm going to show you the damage here. Ah, there.
Let me make it even look better.
Thanks, Glenn. So we're going to take this up to PFC Max and he's going to do some welding on it and hopefully we'll be able to get this thing back together before qualifying tonight.
You want me to just take it?
Shouldn't have any problem.
You don't even have to.
He said he's waiting on some equipment or something and then he'll be up after. That's not a big deal. We got till 7 o'clock.
But he wants it now. Yeah, I'll run it down.
Thanks, Glenn.
Thanks,
You got a blanket or something I can put?
Yeah.
I'm in the
passenger seat.
You're in the
Cadillac.
I got a towel on the back.
Brand new blanket and a towel and open the door in the back.
Right there. Reach right in there. Thanks, Glenn.
Got it.
See ya. That was awesome. Awesome. I gotta figure out how to get this thing off. Okay, let's get her back to the pits. Let's get her cooled down and find out why it was slowish. That was great. All right, here we go. It was kind of overall a really crappy pass, and that's definitely not going to get us to #1 qualifier. So that's it for us for tonight. We will try again tomorrow when we've got our last qualifier. So we're going to go pack up and we'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Bye. that was not great at all. We got to try to figure out now how to keep the nose down on this thing, so we're gonna have to do some suspension tuning when we get back. I think I'm gonna keep that tune in it, but we gotta fix the suspension. Going wheels up is not gonna win this thing. So, all right, back to the pits. We're gonna go into eliminations next round. So, hopefully we can calm this thing down. That's really what we need to do, is calm this thing down. So that's what we're gonna do. So let's get her back to the pit, cool her down. Let's go. Alright, so we're back here now. We're going to do eliminations round 1. Jeff did some detuning to the car, so we're going to try to keep the nose down a little bit on this one. We chip drew Derek Cooper. He's been, I don't know, I want to say like 479-ish or something like that this weekend. So he's going to be some pretty good competition for us. So here we go with round 1 of eliminations here at Rocky Mountain Summer Series race number 3. Let's go. So we're rolling down to the lanes for eliminations 2. This time we have John Jacobs. I don't have a whole lot of history with him. I think he's like a 485 or 4, I don't know, I'm not really sure. So we left the tune alone, and we're going to see if we can get another round win. So we're heading down right now, and well, thank you.
Do you have time to call you?
They just called.
It was like you two-stepped it right out of your pit. I was like, oh, she's ready.
Well, I saw somebody else roll down. I figured, well, I better get down there. They're calling. Alright, so yeah, here we go with round 2 of eliminations. John Jacobs, let's go. Okay, so that's another round win. Slight improvement, but not much. That one was a 473, I think it was. Still not going to be quite enough to beat the guy in front of us here, Osborne. So we're going to have to figure it out, but we'll take that round win and on to the next one. So let's get her back to the pits, cool her down. You know, I mean, I say that every time. Sorry about that, but it's true. That's what we do. We get her to the pits and we cool her down. All right, we're going back now. Well, I've always said if I'm going to lose, I want to lose to somebody like him. He's a really good racer. He pushed me, and we lost. So we're going home. A couple $100 in our pockets, but we're going home. So anyway, thanks for joining us. We really appreciate you watching us. And I think next is either Pueblo or Vegas. I don't know what we're going to bring you next. We'll see. So anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Have a good one.